You all in my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most incredible dill pickles. So the first thing you want to do is get you some elephant garlic. And elephant garlic is going to make this thing kind of sweet and not so pungent. So you're going to get you a whole clove of elephant garlic, and you're just going to slice it down. Now we're finna start working on that brine. So you want to take a cup of water and then heat it up and get that water really hot. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of granulated sugar, and then you're going to stir it up. And we pretty much just dissolving this salt and sugar into this hot water. I don't want this whole brine to be hot, so that's why I'm doing it in parts. Then we're going to take some pickle and spice blend, a teaspoon of pickle and spice, pop it in there, a quarter teaspoon of peppercorns, pop that in there, and then that's pretty much our brine. And then we're going to add another cup of water in there. And then we're going to add a cup of vinegar. So this recipe is 2 to 1. 2 cups of water to 1 cup of vinegar. And fill it all up. And though the room temperature vinegar and room temperature water that you added in next should cool that brine off completely. So this brine is now cold. And then you're going to pop your elephant garlic directly into that brine to get that to start infusing. And then we're going to set up our cucumber. I got an English cucumber here, but you can use a regular cucumber, or you could use pickling cucumbers. But you want to slice it on the mandolin. Now I'm making these pickles because I'm gonna do some Cubans here on the show in the next couple weeks or maybe months, and I want to get our pickles ready. So that's the reason why we're making this quick, simple pickle video to get it ready for future recipes. And I'm doing these pickles 2 ways. I'm slicing them down the middle, and then I'm slicing them into chips. And those big slices, those are what we're going to use on the Cubans. If you know anything about Cubans, the pickles kind of is a part of the sandwich, since it's only a couple couple ingredients to that sandwich. So we're going to pop all these pickles into a mason jar. Make sure you heat that mason jar up with some hot water just to sterilize it. And then once you get all your cucumbers into that jar, go ahead and pop a big bunch of dill into that jar. And I just used the whole package of dill, but you can pretty much control how you want it. And then you're going to add the garlic into it, and then we're going directly over with our chilled brine. And I was going for kind of like the Clausen pickles, so that was the inspiration behind this brine. You're going to pop the rest of the peppercorns and stuff on top of the brine, and then go ahead and seal it off and pop this directly into your refrigerator, and it's going to hang out in there until we're ready to use them for a couple weeks. So yeah, these are the most amazing pickles, man. Really quick pickle recipe, but I thought we need it, especially for our future recipes that we're going to work on. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The most incredible dill pickles, getting ready for our Cuban sandwiches, man, from the Bistro. I'll check you guys later. I'm out.